Like
ఎంతమంది వచ్చారు సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ ఇందాక? మరి దేనికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం? పని పట్టలేదు.
hi, I hope you can hear me. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Hi, Akash. Hi, Senthil. Hi. Congratulations, Senthil. Where you got the posting? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine, everyone. But I'm little bit worried about the YouTube channel only. Where are you, sir? I am at my home only, Akash. How is the SQL tutorials like the Oracle SQL playlist? And if you want any new courses, you can ask me. I can plan after SQL. I will finish the SQL, then I will go for the PLSQL. After that, I am thinking to do the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. But if you have other choices, you can let me know so that I can plan accordingly. Waiting for appointment order, in that only they will. Best coaching centers in Hyderabad. For what? Java easy way to learn. Already I have done the Java core Java. You can check it. Java I have done. You can check Naveen Kumar. Yeah, sure, Sashanka. I think even you have posted this one as a comment also. I will do it. Web technology, yeah, that is what I'm planning. So before that, I want to do the HTML, then JavaScript and CSS. Then I will go core Java or any can learn. Core Java anyone can learn. Correct. But if the core Java people are liking, then I can go for the advanced Java. But people, if they are not watching the computer graphics and multimedia, correct, Naveen Kumar. Sir, I will join offline coaching center in Hyderabad. Please tell me. I really don't have any idea about the coaching centers. I think now when the online is going on, it is not a good choice of going for the offline coaching. Okay, the advantage of online coaching is even if you miss a one class, you will have the advantage of watching those recording videos. But that is not possible in the offline classes. Yeah, Suresh, correct. All concepts are there in core Java in my playlist. You can check it. Sir, would you start playlist on full tutorials of DevOps? DevOps I am actually planning, but I need some time because I need to spend lot of time to do the tutorials. Actually, I'm right now little bit busy. When the summer vacation or the winter vacation comes, during that time I may be little bit free. During that time I will plan the DevOps. And people are asked, even I was thinking to do Power BI also. So scoring subject, tell me for GATE. Theory of computation and compiler design. Those two courses also is there in the Panika Tutorials YouTube channel. Sir, please, sir, మీరు ఏం జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఇన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. Due to some technical issues, I cannot tell where I am exactly working, but I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of CSC in one of the centrally funded institute. And how is the videos in Panika Tutorials YouTube channel? What are the videos recently you have looked in the Panika Tutorials YouTube channel, or which one you liked? Or everyone can tell me which videos you have watched till now in Panika Tutorials YouTube channel. Thank you, Senthil. Thank you. Sir, would you do total tutorial of data science? Yeah, I'm planning for that one. Maybe soon after SQL, maybe I will plan for the data science. Actually, the encouragement from the student side is very poor. Look at the other YouTube channels, how many videos they have uploading, and what is the content is there in the Panika Tutorial YouTube channel. Then you will can say that Panika Tutorial YouTube channel is not able to attract the students. I don't know what is the reason behind it. Whenever I look at the statistics or analytics of my YouTube channel, I'm feeling very bad. I'm not getting motivation to do the regular videos. However, for the benefit of the students, I'm uploading daily. Not daily, maybe I cannot say exactly every day I'm uploading, but at least weekly 5 videos I'm uploading. What is the question he has asked? మీరు పెట్టిన జావా వీడియోస్ చేస్తే జాబ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వచ్చా? ఆల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కవర్ చేయవచ్చా? కరెక్ట్ అండి నవీన్ కుమార్ గారు. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్, దెన్ అవర్ కోర్ జావా కోర్స్ ఈజ్ సఫిషియంట్. And even I'm uploading daily one interview question in Panika Tutorials Instagram page. Even you can look at that one also. Daily one interview question related to Java uploading, and I'm giving the answer there also. It will be helpful for you. And recently I have started the shorts. How is the shorts? Sir, Telugulo videos cheyachchu kada meeku Telugu vaste. Yeah, the problem is that I can understand. Lot of people have suggested me that మీకు తెలుగు వచ్చు కదా, మీరు తెలుగులోనే వీడియోస్ చేయొచ్చు కదా అని. బట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి అంటే, అలా నేను తెలుగులో వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తే మీకు అడ్వాంటేజ్ అవ్వచ్చు, బట్ లిటరల్లీ నేను మిమ్మల్ని మోసం చేస్తున్నట్లేనండి. ఎందుకంటే మీరు క్యాంపస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్కి కానీ ఏదైనా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాడు మీకు క్వశ్చన్ తెలుగులో అడగడు. మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్ వాడు తెలుగులో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు హౌ కెన్ యూ ఆన్సర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ ద తెలుగు? సో దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. అండ్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ద ట్రైనింగ్, సపోజ్ లెట్స్ సే దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ లర్న్ కోర్ జావా ఇన్ తెలుగు, బట్ ఇన్ companies they will teach you advanced Java in English. During that time you will struggle little bit. So that's why till now I have not uploaded any of the videos in Telugu. Networking tutorial practically. Practically means I could not able to understand. If you can elaborate your question, that will be helpful for me. No, actually, for my YouTube channel benefit, I don't want to what you call teach in Telugu. I know if I teach in Telugu, the reach will be very high. But however, I'm not planning to teach any of the videos in Telugu because the video should be useful for all the people around the globe. Suppose look at the Senthil. Senthil was from Tamil Nadu, if I'm right. So if I would have started this YouTube channel in Telugu, he would have not got benefited. And congratulations, Senthil. He has watched our videos and he got a teaching job in Polytechnic, and that too first attempt. That is very good one, sir. Okay, network tutorial hands on. I will do. కోర్ జావా నేర్చుకుంటే డేటాబేస్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చండి. యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూ. యూ కెన్ వాచ్ అవర్ core Java videos and also the SQL videos. The SQL videos will be useful for the BTech students and also the students who are preparing for the placements and also for the people who are working in software industry with 1 year or 2 years experience, because nowadays it will be SQL is required for the people who are working in the testing domain or front web application domain. Any domain if you are choosing, they are giving training on the SQL. So it will be an advantage for you if you learn the SQL before joining in the company. You can choose Oracle SQL or MySQL, but lot of people prefer the Oracle SQL, so that's why I'm teaching Oracle SQL. If you know the Oracle SQL, then you can easily learn the MySQL. It does not differ a lot. Okay, what are the concepts will be there in the Oracle SQL? The same concepts will be there in MySQL also. The syntax will be little bit different, sir. Yeah, I'm planning it, Suresh. After MySQL, I will do the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then I will go for the full stack development, either using Python or using Java. That is the plan. But before that, I need an encouragement from the students. Right now it is missing very badly, and even I am also not coming regularly and interacting with the students, but now I am planning to interact with you at least once in a week. Okay, due to my busy schedule, I am not able to come into the live, but I will plan now. Please share the videos with your friends. Sir, please do types of SQL like only separate and like MySQL and NoSQL. Okay. Now, if you are going for the relational algebra, then you can go for the SQL. If you are going for the NoSQL like MongoDB, that I suggest for you to go for the SQL. The MongoDB, all these things you can use in the industry, but you should know the basics. Okay, as a freshers, it will be beneficial for you to learn the coding. Okay, even if time permits, because Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel will be continuously uploading latest technologies. So one day I will even upload the Postgre and then MongoDB, all these things I am planning. The problem with me is that I am alone teaching, and these days I am not getting enough time. I think you know I will be little bit busy with my regular job. Whenever I'm getting the time, I'm recording the videos and I am only editing the videos and I'm uploading. It takes a lot of time. And even I'm recently started the shorts, all these things. కోర్ జావాతో పాటు ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ డేటాబేస్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలా, లేదంటే కోర్ జావా నేర్చుకుంటే ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయా? గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్, సురేష్. As a fresher, I suggest you to learn a C programming language, any programming language related to OOPS concepts. Like you can choose C++ or Java or Python, because you should know the basics of C, like pointers, because in Java you will not have pointers concept. Okay, and call by value, call by address, all these things are required in basic C programming language. Apart from that one, you can learn any object oriented programming language, especially the OOPS concepts like class, object, data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. How can you define a class? How can you create an object? Either using C++ or using Python or using Java. Then you can learn data structures like what is a stack, what is a queue, what is a circular queue, how can you implement the stack queue, circular queue using the linked list, using the array. Then you should learn what is a single linked list, what is a double linked list, what is a circular linked list. All these concepts you can learn, and you can implement those concepts using any programming language, either using C or C++ or using Python. You can do this. Is sufficient. These three are sufficient for any BTech students to get job in service based companies. But if you want to get jobs in the product based companies, then you should be very good at design analysis of algorithms. Like you should know the time complexity, space complexity, greedy algorithms, NP hard problems, NP complete problems, what is polynomial problems, what is NP problems, all these concepts you should know. My sincere suggestion for all the freshers is be it good at technology. You no need to learn everything. Okay, some people will keep on asking me, సార్ 2020లో పాస్డ్ అవుట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయా, మాకు ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఏం నేర్చుకుంటే బెస్ట్. ఓకే, 2020 అంటే 2 years పాస్డ్ అవుట్ అయ్యారు కాబట్టి ఇఫ్ యూ లర్న్ పైథాన్ అండ్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలప్మెంట్, then you have lot of opportunities. Full stack development means you should learn the front end development, back end development, and then you should know the SQL. These concepts if you know, and if you do some good projects, then obviously you will have lot of openings. Okay, that is my suggestion for you, Suresh. Sir, any programming language in networking with you can do using C++ or using Java. Any other questions? Please, I sincerely request, please share our video with your friends and ask them to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you encourage, then I will get motivation to do more videos. But recently I don't know what is happening with YouTube or with my YouTube channel. The recent reach is getting down. I don't know the reason behind it. I am regularly uploading the videos. Sir, could you tell me what are required to get in product based companies? In product based companies, if you want to get, you should know C, object oriented concepts, either C++ or Python or Java, and then data structures, design analysis of algorithms. You should be very strong at data structures and design analysis of algorithms, and C and OOPS concepts. That is sufficient. Be good at that one. Okay, you should be very good such a way that any kind of question they have asked, you should be in a position to answer it. These are sufficient. You no need to learn uh, every technology. Any other questions?
యూనిఫామ్ ఉన్నది కుట్టించుకున్నారు. అదే బట్టలు మెటీరియలే ఏ కుట్టిస్తారో సలవారు మెజర్మెంట్ ఇప్పుడు ఎన్నోదాకా ఉన్నారు కుట్టించేస్తున్నారు నాకు ఎంత వస్తుందో తెలియదు. సరే ఒక డ్రెస్ ఉండటం మంచిది ఏదో డ్రెస్ అంటే మనం మళ్ళీ అవి దీంతో కలిపి
Sure, I will plan.
వెళ్ళింది లోపలికి మేమే లోపలికి వెళ్ళి ఇచ్చాము ఆవిడేమో గురుకులంలో గురుకులు వాళ్ళు చెప్పించారు
Okay, so we will end the live. Take care, everyone. We will meet at least once in a week. Take care. Please share our videos with your friends and subscribe to Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. Fast API, I will plan. Okay, I will plan. I have in my priority list. Any other things you want to interact with me? Try to improve the reach of Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. That is only the request from my side. What are the courses you are asking me? I am doing regularly, but you need to improve the reach of Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel, which is missing a lot these days. I am not getting enough support from the students. Okay. So, any other questions from your side? If not, let me end the meet. Any questions? How would be attending interview by reference? That will help you. Lot of my students got in Microsoft and other companies with reference, and even in Samsung. It is good if you get reference, because they will look at your resume and then they will call you and they will test your knowledge in the interviews and other process. If you do well, there are lot of high chances for you to get the job. Lot of my students are there in Samsung, Microsoft, who got their job with the help of reference, either from their friends or from their relatives or from their seniors. Reference will always help you. But don't try to get the job in reference. Means any preference would get little bit, not I can say completely, little bit preference will be there, but even you should perform well. Without performing, no one will hire you, but there will be a little bit advantage for you. Any other questions? Okay, if there are no more questions, let me end the live. My sincere request for everyone is, please share our videos with your friends. Right now, the Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel is in ICU. I think you can also understand the meaning of ICU. It is not performing well. Okay, or I can say it is not growing as much I expected. The number of videos are crossed more than 1,000, but still the reach is very poor. Only the students can only help me. Advertisement, all these gimmicks, all these things are not required. Your mouth talk is more than enough for me. So please share the videos with your friends, ask them to subscribe, and don't waste your money by going to the coaching centers, all these things. Everything is available in YouTube for free of cost. utilize it, easily you can get the jobs either in a government sector or in software industry, or even if you are planning for higher studies also it will be helpful. Okay, take care everyone. Any other questions? If not, I will end the interaction. Any other questions? Okay, take care everyone.